building a life of ease and I've already recorded a video on the 4 keys I'm going to share to build a life of ease and flow. And building a life of ease and flow require tapping into that one property, one quality of human, that is faith. So how to build that faith? There are 4 strategies, 4 keys, or 4 steps I have devised for all of you. First step I have already given in video number 1. So if you haven't already watched that video, I would highly recommend, go back and watch that video to get the point number 1. Today we'll discuss the point number 2, how to build faith and how to live in ease, flow and surrender. Before I start, I would, if you are new to my channel, what I would want to say is, hi, this is Dr. Batul Diwan, if you don't already know me. And I am passionate to help women who feel stuck, who feel lonely, maybe loveless, maybe disconnected. There is some pain in their profession or personal life. They feel maybe wounded, hurt, they are attracting toxic relationships. They want to have a life which is higher, which is better, which is of freedom, ease and flow, but they don't know how. And how do I know all of this? Because I have been there. And that is why I want to build a movement for women, to help women live in confidence, courage, connection, live in power, peace and passion, to live a life of love, ease, flow, freedom and abundance. In short, I want you to redefine your life. And that is why I am building a community of like minded women, a WhatsApp community. And if you have resonated with any of this, I would highly recommend you to click the link in the description box and join that WhatsApp community, because there I exclusively and regularly share simple inner work tips which will help you ascend your growth and help you go miles beyond in your inner work journey. Also, if you are a male viewer as well, you are most welcome here. And I would leave a link to another link. I would leave another link in the description box, which is for booking a free one-on-one clarity call with me. If there is something you want to share with me and you want to find a solution and you think I am the right person to help you can click that link. You can book a free clarity call where you can pour your heart out and we shall discuss the solution for you. Now, coming back to today's video, coming back to today's topic. At the end, I would take any of the questions if you have. Otherwise, we will close this session. So, today's topic, which is building the life of ease and flow with faith. The point number 2 is drop the desperation around desire. Yes. So what happens is, it is not the desire that gives us pain. We have often heard in spirituality that ichha matra avidya, or leave the ichha, because ichha gives pain. Actually, it's not the ichha that gives pain. It's not the desire that gives pain. It's the desperation around desire, or it's the attachment to the outcome around desire that gives us pain. Either we are so attached to outcome that we associate our entire identity, our entire life around that outcome, and we think there is nothing beyond that. Or we become too desperate to get the results that we just think that it should come now, or if it's not coming, why it's not coming. This is the source of misery, and this is the source of confining us or maybe keeping us stuck. So you see, one of my mentors, she gave a very beautiful example to this, which is the example of lift. For example, you want lift to call to your floor. You have pressed the button. Now what will you do? You'll keep pressing the button again and again and again and again until the lift comes, or you have pressed the button once and you know that lift is coming and you'll wait. I think we all know the answer. We will know that lift is coming and we'll wait. This is how the desires and the outcome to desires and the universal processes work. Just take your action and give universe its own sweet time to do the work, instead of being desperate around it, that when it will come, when it will come, when it will come, because it gives the feeling of lack already. So what I do is, what I do to, you know, keep myself in the mode of faith and not become desperate or not become attached to the outcome, is I'm going to give you three very simple steps which will help you to be in free ease mode, to be, to not develop desperation or attachment around desires. Number one is, see, I have my notes here ready. If I forget something, I keep referring to my notes. So number one is, know that whatever is happening to you, if there is some turmoil, some problem, and you feel that there are too many challenges and problem all coming at once in your life, know that this is the consequence of my own action, either in this lifetime or in previous lifetimes. If you believe, if you not believe, then also know that whatever you have done or whatever we have done in our past, this is the consequence of that only which is coming, because universe is auto balancing. Universe never leaves anything unbalanced. So whatever is coming, it is consequence of my own action. I tell this to myself and I say, it's good that I am clearing off my debts, because until and unless I clear off my debts, good, better, positive things won't be able to come. So I'm clearing off all the things which needs to be cleared and which were piled up, and now I'm making the space for good to come. So whatever is happening, if it is bad, it is consequence of my own action, and it's okay, because it's better to get it cleared off. Number two, think about what is the learning from the event that is happening in my life, because either it's a test or it is the consequence of me not learning my lesson from what is happening. That is why it is coming back again and again and again. You see, if something is happening again and again in our life, that means we are not learning our lesson from it. So we have to break that loop by learning what needs to be learned. And once we learn our lesson, that event or that situation or that challenge will stop coming to us. So number two is, learn your lesson to stop attracting that situation in your life, to break that loop. And number three is, what I'll do is, I will take actions on my desires. So it doesn't mean spirituality or metaphysical sciences or law of attraction. None of that means you don't have to take actions. Please know this fact that we always have to take actions. So what I'll do is, I will tell myself that I will take action, whatever is required, whatever is in my hand, I will take actions. And then I'll leave the rest to take its own sweet time to incubate and come into my 3D reality. If it comes, good. If it does not come, then I'll tell myself this or something better. So this is the Guru mantra. Please write it. This or something better. If it is not coming, it means universe has some other plan, some better plan, or whatever we were wanting from maybe our limited understanding, maybe something better which actually resonate to our soul, which is actually better for our own growth in future, needs to come. And what we were wanting, what we were desiring, was not aligning to our journey or our soul mission or whatever is lying in our future. So either this or something better. So the three keys to be not desperate or not attached to the outcome is, number one, know that it is consequence of my own actions and it's good that it's clearing off. Number two, try to learn your own lessons. What is that which we need to learn to break the loop of what is happening? And number three, do whatever you can do for getting your desire and leave the rest and tell yourself this or something better. Hope this helps, and please like it and share it with people whom you think they might be needing something, or you think there is some women out there or maybe some men out there who need my help. Please share it with them, because I'll be happy to help, and this is my mission. I want to reach as many people as I can, and you will be the contributor in me reaching out to them. So thank you in advance. Like this video, share it to those people, and if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe my channel. My name is Batul. I am doctor as well, scientist. So my name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching.